Okay, we are now going to start our live session here from the beach. Um, I'm going to be trading some binary option. If you see this as a recording, make sure you sign up with the broker you find below the video. From Wednesday, we will be back to normal and we will be trading at a normal location. I'm aware of that the sound is not perfect, but we are doing the best out of the situation so we can have live sessions, even though it's at the vacation for me. So just bear with me. I will now start to prepare, and we will start to be trading some binary option. Okay, so just bear with me for a little while till I fix everything. Now let's see. Boom. Okay. I think everything is in order. I am not able to invite that many people and things like normal because things are a little slower as I'm on another type of computer here. But let's do the best out of what we have and let's get started. Always, like I said, you find a link below the video, and for people that come in there will be a link in the chat. Okay, so let's see if we can find any good trades. Typically I love to trade the cryptocurrency. We go to cryptocurrency, BNB, that is one of my favorites to be trading. I don't have coffee, so I need to take the next best thing just so I can get some energy here. Now we can see in the bottom here it's a small interest area down there. Let's see. Let's change the bid to 100. And sorry in advance for quality. We are still on in the beach with a crappy computer, crappy internet. But from Wednesday we are back to normal. So you can say this is more like an extra service I do. So you can see that even though I am in holiday, I take my time. So we can work together. Like for example in October I'm going to Norway also. And I will be live trading in October also. But then of course will be a much better internet, but it will be still on this computer. But I think we can deal with a little bad sound when you have good internet. Now let's see. I'll write in the chat here, let me see. See. There. Now we are ready to do a buy on the green line we see in the bottom here now. I'm ready to go in. Let's see how this plays out. Now let's see. If you can just get down there again, we'll take it. Come on now. Can get our first trade. Basically I trade simple support and resistance. That have worked out very good for me. Okay, we are getting close. Would be nice to get our first trade out of the way. And almost. It is almost a trade. There. Oh. There we're in. Now let's see how this plays out. Looks like we might lose our first trade of the day. Let us push my trades, you can follow. Or maybe not. Let's see. 5, 4, and 1. We got the win. Perfect. Then we have $98. Cool. At least you have a start. Let's remove this. As you're in a small computer, we can't be looking at these type of things. Now looks like the area we had over here is back in play. Let's take it there. Okay, so our new area, I have put the line at 204.97. So that's where we're going to do buys now. Maybe I put the line a little too, no, I think it's good. We give it there. So if you come down to that region, we will go in. That's it. We can start to look for some other pairs also. Let's keep that one running for now. Let's see if we can find something else we can trade also. Let's check out Australian dollar against dollar. That is typically a good pair. And we can see that down here probably is an area we can go in. So what we do, we just take a line and we put there. That's an area that I would be interesting to do a buy trade. That is on 1 minute. So the line I put at 0.642893. Let's see. And once again, sorry for the bad connection of internet and sound, video quality all over. I'm just doing this as an extra thing while I'm at the beach. I will be back at my office again in Wednesday, So Wednesday will be the first day where we can trade properly again. Now I don't know what happened here, but I am not interested to trade here now. He basically jumped from here down to below my line, so that means we just skip this one all over. But yes, Wednesday we are back to normal, and then we can be trading properly again. Okay, here also, let's see if we can find something better than this. Let's check here if that one can work better for us. Now let's see. We might have something. Here. Let's mark a line here in this area here. If that can be some. Yeah, we can easily see that we have a resistance here, and this is turn support. So if we can come down to this line here, I think we can easily go in with a trade. Let's wait and see. How many have been live here today? That is very few, I think. Let me see. Just 2 people. Very little activity, but I think it's not that strange, because things are not the best. It's not the best quality. Now let's see. I am now ready to go in at the green line you see here now. Let's see if that can play out for us good. Let's wait and see. We need a little more. We are almost in there now. I will easily take a trade on this line we see here. Let's see. No, don't seems like it. Let's go back and check Binance. We are basically just up $98. I want a little more than that this Monday morning. Now let's see. Looks like this area up here now maybe can be an area we can trade also. Let's mark it there. Let's make that one a red line. Let's search for 30. If we can come up there again, I will take it. And we got a little bad entry there, but let's see how this plays out. Let's bring up the so you can follow. Now we need to wait 18 seconds. Seems like we might win that one there now. But we need to wait. It's very close to our entry now. And we won. Cool. Then we'll go in again up there if we come up. So our profit for the day now is up to 196. Now let's see. Almost. We need to get up to this line up there. No, still not there. Let's see if we can get a little better entry this time. Last time the entry was not the best. Let's see. We see that this area here starts to be looking good also. So probably for now we can mark it. You see now he shoot down, so I think it's better to keep it to this level down there. So our trading zone right now is these two lines you see here. So we have the support line down at 205.72, and you can see we have our resistance line at 211.58. That is our two places we are interested to be trading. So today, as you can see, we only taken two trades, but at least it is two winners. So let's see. It's just a waiting game for us to get in a trade on one of these positions. I'm now ready to push down. Looks like we're getting up to our trading area, and I'm in there, and we got a nice entry in the top. Now we just need to wait another 20 seconds, and let's see if we can collect some more money. Currently he's fighting hard. I did not like that he closed above there. I think I take a hedge trade there. Let's see how that will play out. We can be lucky win both. We won the first. Now let's see. We should not have taken a hedge trade, but by the way, we lost only $2 on that one. So let's take -2, so 194. That means I think now I will like to have a line at least up there for future trades. So our current profit for the day is $194. We have 4 trades and 3 winners. I see he's moving very crazy here now, so I think we take a small break from Binance Coin and see if we can find something a little more tradable. Let's remove this for now so you can see things a little better. We can keep the cryptocurrency, by the way, that is completely fine. Let's check out Ethereum. Okay, here he's breaking a lower area. We don't like that, so we just move on. Do we have another cryptocurrency we can be trading here? Let's see. Solana, let's check out that one. I don't think I've been trading that one before. I don't think so. And if you're just following what I'm doing now, in Wednesday things will be better. If you think the quality is low and things are slow, just relax. In Wednesday we are back to normal. This is something just extra do as I'm at vacation, and I thought why not just have a live stream. I know the internet and everything is not perfect, but I do my best so everyone can follow my trades every day. So now I'm in there now. Let's see how this plays out. Let's bring up my trade. Would be nice to get a winner now, so you can start to build up some momentum with some income. He's pushing a little hard down as is, so let's see if we can get a win here now. By the way, come on now. We lost that one. Not the best start. But just still in profit. We have our $94 profit. Then let's go back to, we just unmark that one. Let's go back to Binance. Let's take a look what's going on here. Okay, we have a trading opportunity in the top. Let's see if we can take one more there. I'm ready. It's moving very fast. Okay, I got a bad entry there, but let's see. I feel I need a winner now, but I'm not confident with entry. We need to wait 10 more seconds to see, but looks like this is a clear winner. And one, come on up. Yes, we got it. There we got the winner. Then we are plus 98. So we have 192. Cool. Entry in the bottom, I think we need to have it down in this direction, looks like now. Let's see. So you see this area is still the trading zone. Now let's see. Let's continue. I'm ready to go up. If you go down to this green line we have here, that's it. And almost a trade in the bottom. It almost is not good enough. We need to get in the line for me to be interesting to go up. I see. By the way, how long time have we been trading till now? Just 22 minutes. We have a lot of time here left to put in some good trades. I did take a trade there now. Let's see how this plays out. We more need to wait more 14 seconds. Let's see. Come on now. Yes, another $98. So our profit is now up to 290. Sweet. Now about the line, I will move it a little more down again. Let's look to the left how things looks like, and that fits good with this spikes you see here. So then we have a new trading zone again. We move the line a little more down, but at least we are making some profit here now. And once again, I need to say I'm very sorry for the bad quality of the internet connection I have. I'm sorry for the quality of everything, because I am here at the beach and I'm doing my best because I'm in holiday, and this is just some extra live stream just for you all to see that I'm still working when I'm in holiday. But from Wednesday we are back to normal. So from Wednesday there will be a super connection, super everything again, so we can really work good together. So like I said, this is just for you all, so you see that I don't take breaks, I still work. So I'm now looking for buy down on the green line you can see there. We have 30 minutes left, so I think we should surpass 500 today, at least in profit. I think that should be very possible, thinking that we already reached how much profit we have, 290. I think just I don't feel we have done so many trades, so I think it should be possible to get in a few more trades now. And we are just doing $100 trades today. As you know, I always start at 100. If I start to go a little in minus, I always raise over up to around 200. 200 is the maximum, by the way, so it's something I do some few times just to secure so I get a day in profit, because I know my win rate. So if I get like 2-3 losers in row with 100, then I just jump up to 200 and go faster to get my profit, because my win rate is basically 7-8 wins out of 10 trades, and I think that is reflected quite okay today also. So I think we have 2 losers today and we have 7 trades, so fits quite good. So that means the next 3 trades for 10 trades, we can even have 1 loser and 2 winners, and we are exactly spot on to my average. So even though things are slow, things are bad here, we still are making money, and that's the most important. So this only shows you there are no excuses. Even when I'm in holiday, I wake up early. I do my live sessions because yes, this is early. I wake up 6:30 in the morning to prepare for the live session, and I did go live 7 today. So yes, it is early, especially when you're at the beach and things like I am now. You enjoy yourself with some drinks and things, and then to wake up early the next day without coffee, you have a tendency to struggle a little. But you do this for everyone that wants to join in. I know that I see that have not been many going into my live streams today. Maybe the connection is too bad, but by the way, I think it's the effort that I'm here. By the way, I think that is what matters. So now let's see. I am looking to push down when we come up to this red line, if we can come up there again. Now we do see that we do have some type of resistance starting here, so it's a possibility he will not go that high this time. As he's starting to make lower areas, this might be the new top area, but we'll see if no. So but yes, from Wednesday then of course we will really be trading good, because I see now how much I can miss to trade on my main computer when I'm at the beach here now. But I think it's not the computer that is the biggest problem. I think it's the internet connection I have from the hotel. You know, when you're in hotel, you never get good connection, and then as you're sharing with many other people, you have always someone that is downloading something, or they're using crazy a lot of internet, and make it crappy for everyone else, you know. Now, by the way, I'm ready. If you come up there, I mean, yeah, not the best entry, but let's see if it's good enough. Let's bring it up here now, so you can follow. Now, and I need to do like this also. Typically I have this under, but I'm in a super big screen. Here, but the screen is small, so I bring it up only when I take a trade. Now let's see. Win. So our profit now, we are at 388. Pretty darn good. I'm satisfied with that. Let's see. After that, I need to get some coffee and then go down to the beach and enjoy this day also. Now let's see, I'm ready to go in on the red line again. If we can get up there again, let's see. For now, don't looks like it. Let's see. We are looking for sell trades at the 211.88 ish. It's never exactly, but it's the area. 211.93 actually. That's the area. So hopefully I like to, if I can get an entry a little above it, and then I'm satisfied. So let's see if we can get up there now. We just need a small push up there now, and we will enter. Now let's see, let me see how long time we've been trading today. We have been live 31. Yeah, so in another 29 minutes, so we are halfway only, so that is good. We can still get in some more trades. We have got in 8 trades in 30 minutes. I think that is quite decent. So we will be trading. For me, the clock is now 7:33 in the morning. I think I'll be trading till 8. So if you can get in more 8 trades today, that will be quite nice. Of course, as long as you keep the win rate we have. And in the end also I can collect the money up here, because every time we trade we do get some cash back. Now let's see. Let me see if I can remove this toolbar here, because that could give us a little more. No, I can't do that right now. That will give us a little more view area as the screen is so small. But let's see, I'm ready to go in on the red line. Now we will push down. So once again, in Wednesday we are back to normal. Now we're on crap internet on the beach, so on Wednesday we're back to the office and we can trade properly. So don't be discouraged that it's bad quality now. This is just for this small vacation I'm in. Almost a trade in the top, but almost is not good enough. Let's see if we can and I'm in there. There, good entry. I'm satisfied with this entry. So win or lose that, and when I get an entry like this, I'm satisfied by the way. So now we just need to wait for 15 seconds and see if we can collect some more money. And for me it looks like it. Now we're just 4, 3, and yes, another win. We are now up at 486. The good old 486 computers for the people that remember these ones. Now this area down here start to look more and more promising also. Let's adjust. I'm not trading. Let's just make this a blue line. I'm just following that. Maybe down there. Let's wait and see. There might be an area we will trade. I will decide very soon, depending how this bar end up. I will take a decision. Otherwise we keep it to the place we had down here, and from out as you know, we just move it back here. Let's make it green. Let's keep to the one in bottom. So always I mark things and I test the little things, just so I see if the areas are areas I level like to trade. So now we are waiting down there to see how things plays out. Okay, so we have around 24 minutes left trading. So hopefully we can get in a few more trades. Money wise, I'm actually quite satisfied. We have taken 9 trades and we have won 7 out of the 9, so that is pretty darn good. Let's see. So don't sit the most comfortable here either. Let's see. It's something else when you sit at the office like I typically do, and I can look many things at the same time. But at least I see it's one here now that is live all the time to get with me, so you can just write to me in the chat if you want to. Tell me who we are. Because I do actually have a tablet here now, so I can see the chat also. So, and thank you for being here all the time. In Wednesday will be better when you can trade properly on my main setup. So now let's see. We do have our trading area. Now it's basically just to be waiting to see if we can get in a few more trades. Let's see. So now let's see. But by the way, thank you so much for being here through this crappy live session with crappy internet and all this. So, but yes, Wednesday we are back to my office where I can trade properly. I'm enjoying my time here at Bahia, Brazil, enjoying the beach here. So, but I think it's important, even though you don't have the best setup, to take the time to be trading a little from morning. Even though I'm too tired for this, but still, it's still a lot of fun to be trading. Let's see. And I understand perfectly why I see it is just one person here together with me today, because I guess the quality is terrible on this live stream. But we do our best with what we have. So, and that's a cool thing that I did see yesterday, for example, when I was down at the beach, because here it's actually safe to bring cell phone and everything down to the beach. I was even trading a little while I was down in the beach, because I am allowed to have a few accounts with this broker. I'm not sure other people are allowed, but I am allowed at least. And I was trading a little on my mobile phone and it works perfectly. So, because support resistance are very easily to spot, you don't need to mark it. I mark it so you all are able to copy what I'm doing, but typically when I trade myself on my cell phone things, I don't need to mark it, because you basically see quite clearly where you want to take your entries, by the way. So now we are in there now. I think the entry was quite okay. Let's see how this one plays out. Let's bring up the trade so you can follow. So now we need to wait more 15 seconds. He's little stubborn in the top right now, but hopefully we get another winner. Maybe we lose trade here now. Let's see. No, we got it. Another win. So our profit is now up at 584. So you can see we have taken 10 trades and we got 8 winners. That is good in my book. Now I will take another trade up there, but I want a little better entry than what you have right now. I think I move my line just a little bit to a run up there. Yeah, I think there I will take trades. let's see if we can get a trade up there. That, yeah, we are in, and I said they're in, but there was a big lag. I think the entry is pretty darn good. So let's see if our trade 11 will bring in money also. We need to wait more 14 seconds first, of course. Currently we are in, out of the money. Most of the time out, I see. Now let's see, 5, 4, yes, another winner. And our profit is now up at 682, so we're doing quite good. The area up here, I think I want to move like a little more again. Now I have a line at 212.48. So we have 11 trades today and 9 winners. That is pretty good, thinking about that you're in a crap internet at the beach. I will say that is a very good win rate. Only shows that even when you're in locations like I am now, with the crappy hotel internet, you can make money. So this is quite satisfying. Now let's see. But yes, we have both areas set and we are printing money this Monday morning. Let me see how we are in time. Yeah, I think I will stop exactly 8 this morning for me. The time is now 7:43. That means we will be trading for around 15 more minutes. So with that, I think we should be able to get in probably 2-3 more trades. And if we can get that to be winners, we have a very good win rate this Monday morning. But let's see. Too early to be counting our money yet, but one thing that is a sure is that we are making profit today. Because when that's said, also I think we just will getting 2-3 more trades, and with that we will never lose so much that we go in minus. And our win rate, like I said before, we typically have 7-8 wins for each 10 trades. So if we can get 2 winners and 1 loser in the end now, I'll be happy with that. Now I'm ready to go in. Did move too fast for me. Did not have time to go in. I did take one there. We got a beautiful entry in the top. Now let's see. So this will be trade number 12 this Monday morning. Let's see. Now we just need to wait more 10 seconds. Let's see if this also can be a winner. And looks like it for me. And another win. Amazing. We then bring in another $98. If you want to copy what I'm doing, of course you can wait till Wednesday, but make sure you sign up with the broker I have. You find it pinned in the chat, and there also if you choose to go in with real money, you should start with demo first, of course. But if you choose to go in with real money, make sure you also use the promo code, so you get 200% on your first deposit. You find all pinned in the chat. Okay. Now I'm waiting this one here. I don't like where it is. So now just wait a little. We need to wait for this bar here to close at least down here before we are even interested to think about going again. So now take a small break, because this looks a little bullish for me. So it looks like he might start to go upwards. So let's just wait and wait. We need him to go down to this region. If we come down here again, we can start trading up here, but for now, let's just wait. Sometimes you need to keep some patience. This is for us to keep our win rate up. Okay. So now let's see. We are going to trade more or less 10 more minutes. So we have done 12 trades now, and we have 10 winners. So quite good trading day, I will say. Now let's see. He's getting close to where I need him to go down to. I still don't want to go in the top. We still need to wait. I don't feel comfortable going in yet up there. We need to get down to this region here for me to be comfortable taking a trade in the top there right now. Now let's see, and there. Now we can trade in top again, but we will move our line just a little bit more. So I put my line now at 212.69. So that's the area I am interested to do down trades now. Now let's see. The one in the bottom, I'm happy with that one, but that one is too far away, of course. Maybe we will not get down here in this live session, but in the top here we will go in. So now let's see. I did push. Oof. I don't know what happened there, but that was terrible. We got a very bad entry. Came like 5 seconds after I pushed the button. So I will try once again up there if we get up there. There. One more bad entry. Now I'll just let it be. Looks like we might get 2 losers here now, because these entries are horrible. Just horrible. If I can win one of them, the damage is repaired, but let's hope that we can win this now, because there were like 5 seconds delay after I pushed the down button. All in all, I just lost $2 here now, so then it's okay. But yes, I need to be aware that it's a high delay right now, because I guess my internet is not the best. But let's see. I will even try, but that was 5 seconds delay from what I pushed till I get the entry. Otherwise I would never lost this one there. This is okay. As we got our one win, it's okay. Now we're looking for a sell up on the red line again. We're going to trade a little longer. So probably we can get in 2 more trades. Let's see. By the way, I'm pretty happy with what we have done. We have 14 trades this Monday morning, and from 14 we have 11 wins. Now let's see. Looks like he might want to push a little more down this time. Little tired from morning also, and typically I'm used to get some coffee. But we are mastering this, by the way. Now let's see. This is an area that might be interesting. We see that we stop around here. Probably let's remove this one so we see things better. Let's see if we maybe put a line there. Let's see. Just at least to market. I am halfly interested to take a trade on there. I will put it blue have not decided if I will take a trade there or not, but I make it blue because probably that is the best to do in that situation. I see on my tablet that is a big delay in what I'm doing till it comes for you, so just be aware of that. It's because my internet connection here is terrible here at the hotel. So, but the thing is, to copy what I'm doing, you don't need to have when you see the green line here, for example, if the bar come down to that green line, when it's green and red you see here, when you put the lines in the same places like I have them, you can trade on your own bars. You're not supposed to wait till I push the button, because then you will lose money, because I see that there are a big delay on my screen here because the internet connection is horrible. Now let's see. I do look for a buy trade down here. This one we can just remove this because this is not a tradable area. This area also, you can see that these are resistant quite long, so there might be one there. I will mark that one also, of course. This might be the new area. Let's see. I have not decided yet. So when I keep it blue, that means it's a place I'm considering to take a trade. So let's see. I do think I will take a trade there. I did like the way he closed at the bar. So if you come down to this green one now, let's hope we can get a little better entry than we have done lately. So we are looking for buy on this green bar you see in the bottom here now. Now let's see. And almost. I did push there now. Okay, we got, there was still a delay, but we got a good entry. Let's see how this will play out. Let's bring up the trade, by the way. It's always more fun to follow. Let's see, 10 seconds. Looks like that might be a winner. We need to wait more 4 seconds. And there, we got it. We won another $98. So our profit now is at $876. That is pretty darn good. But I think we stop our live session here. There will be just one more live session like this with bad internet. Wednesday we are back to normal, and then we can do some better tradings. But by the way, we did 15 trades and we won 12 of them. So only to show that even when you are with bad internet, bad everything, you are able to make money. So there are no excuses. Okay,